Your IT job is changing. And honestly, many IT jobs are slowly dying in the way we know them today. Not all jobs, not overnight, but the old way of working is definitely changing. Companies talk about AI transformations, leaders talk about productivity, LinkedIn people talk about future skills. But very few people are saying it directly. Your work will change, your role will change, and if you don't change, you will struggle. If you are a fresher, you may be thinking, should I even enter IT now? If you have around 8 to 10 years of experience, you may be thinking, I worked so hard, so now what? And you are a manager, when you may be worried because AI is not only affecting coding, it is affecting testing, support, analytics, project management, design, content creation, almost everything. And I'm not saying this from outside. I am also in IT. I feel this shift too. But here is the important thing. This fear is not new. Something very similar happened almost 200 years ago. And once you understand that story, you will look at AI differently. Because this is not the end, this is a shift. And in every shift, there are three types of people: people who deny it, people who panic, and people who adapt. The third group always wins. Our job is simple. We should be in the third group. Around 200 years ago in England, there was a man. Let's call him Thomas. Thomas was a weaver. He made cloth with his hands. His father was a weaver. His grandfather was a weaver. This was not just a job. This was his identity. He had spent almost 20 years learning that skill. He had a wife, two children, a small house, and a simple life, not rich but stable. Then one day, everything changed. A factory opened near his town. Inside that factory, there was a machine. That machine could make cloth faster than Thomas, cheaper than Thomas, and it did not need 20 years of experience. Anyone could be trained to operate it. Now, pause for a second. Forget Thomas. Think about yourself. Imagine you spend years learning on one skill. Your family depends on it. Your EMI depends on it. Your future depends on it. And suddenly a machine comes and does the same work faster and cheaper. How would you feel? Angry? Helpless? This is exactly what Thomas felt. So, and many workers like him picked up hammers. They entered factories at night and they started breaking the machines. They thought, if these machines are destroying our lives, let us destroy the machines. These workers were called lunatics. But honestly, they were not stupid. They were just scared. They saw their entire life being taken away. But the machines did not stop. The government sent soldiers, workers were arrested, some were punished, some were sent from the country. The message was clear. The machines are not going away, you have to change. And sadly, the machines won. Whole profession almost disappeared. Now, if I stop the story here, it sounds like technology only destroys people, but that is only half of the story. Because the machines came, work changed in three ways. First, old manual work reduced. Second, new machines related work came. Third, completely new industries were born. People were needed to run machines, repair them, improve them, manage factories, move goods, and sell products. Railways came. With railways came new jobs. Train drivers, engineers, mechanics, station masters, logistic workers. A weaver at that time could not even imagine a job called railway engineer. That world did not existed for him, but later it became normal. So the lesson is simple. Work did not disappear. Work moved. And that is exactly what is happening now. AI is not removing work. AI is moving work. The real question is, are we moving with it? But let me be very honest. This story also has a painful truth. Yes, new jobs came. The world changed. Future generations got new opportunities, but many original workers did not recover at all. The people who adapted slowly suffered the most. The children got the new job, but they struggled. That is the uncomfortable truth. about every technology revolution. It rewards people who adapt it very early and it punishes the people who waited for it too long. So let us not sugarcoat this. AI may take part of your job. In some roles, it may take full job. A developer who writes only basic code is already replaced. A tester who does repetitive manual testing is also at risk. A support person who only answers standard questions is already at risk. A manager who only forwards the updates and attend meetings is also at risk. But the biggest threat is not AI alone. The biggest threat is a person with your same experience who learns AI before you. AI will not make them magical. It will make them faster, sharper, and more productive. They may finish in one day what others might take week to do. Not because they are naturally smarter, because they are using AI as a thinking partner. This is the real competition, not human versus AI. It's human versus human using AI. That is why I believe the future belongs to this formula. Original intelligence plus artificial intelligence is equals to 10x human. Original intelligence means your experience, your judgment, common sense, business understanding, ability to understand people, problem, context, and consequences. Artificial intelligence gives you speed, it gives you option, it gives you structure, it helps you think better, write better, analyze better. Both are useful. Together they are powerful. So your goal is to not to fight AI. Your goal is to combine your intelligence with AI and become 10x faster. Now, here is where most people are making a big mistake. Everyone online is shouting, learn ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, learn other 50 AI tools. So after you finish the office, when you are already tired, you open YouTube. One video says learn prompt, another says learn agent, another says learn automation, coding tools, another says learn no code tools. After some time, you feel more confused than before. You start learning 10 AI tools, but you do not master even one. The next month, a new tool comes, again, you feel outdated. This is not the right way. So stop chasing every tool. Tools will keep on changing. Today it is ChatGPT, Cloud, tomorrow it might be something else. The real skill is understanding how AI thinks. There are 5 things you need to understand. 1. What AI is good at. 2. Where AI fails. 3. How to give clear instruction to AI. 4. How to break a task into simple steps so AI can deliver us a better outcomes. 5. How to check whether the output is correct or AI tools are like cars. The thinking behind them is the engine. Most people are showing you cars. I want to help you understand the engine, because once you understand the engine, you will not panic every time a new tool comes. Now, let's talk about the future. Some jobs will reduce, some jobs will evolve, and some new jobs will appear in the future. Companies will need 3 types of people: people who can build with AI, people who can manage AI, and people who can judge AI output. Developer will use AI to build faster, review code, debug issues, and design better systems. Testers will use AI to generate scenarios, find edge cases, automate checks, and evaluate quality. Business analysts will design workflows where humans and AI work together. Support teams will manage knowledge bases, improve AI answers, and handle complex human cases. Data engineers will also evolve. Yes, AI can help clean and prepare data, but companies will still need people who understand what is the data actually means, which data can be trusted, what data is sensitive, which output is wrong even though it looks confident. This is not just the data work, this is judgment work, and judgment is where humans still matters. One new role will become very common: people who can manage AI agents. Not just use one chatbot, but manage multiple AI systems, check their output, correct their mistakes, connect them to real business workflows, and make sure they actually deliver value. So it's not only for AI experts, the future is for people who understand their domain and know how to use AI inside the domain. This is the real opportunity. So, here is the final point. Every big change in history follows the same pattern. First, fear, then resistance, then adaptation, then a new world. Right now, we are in the fear stage. Many people are hoping AI will slow down. It will not. Many people are hoping their companies will protect them. It may not. Many people are still waiting for someone to guide them. This is very risky. You do not need to panic, but you need to move. Do not ask only, will AI take my job? Ask a better question. How can I combine my intelligence with AI and become better than the person who is not using it? That question can change your career. In the next video, I will explain how AI can actually think in a very simple way. No complicated words, no technical confusions, just the basic logic behind AI tools. Before you go, comment one word that describes you. Either you are a fresher, developer, tester, manager, student. I want to know who is watching so I can make the next videos useful for you. AI will not wait for us, so we cannot wait either. I am Jai, this is Jai Speaks. I will see you in the next video.